Hey, welcome to Adam's Playtime. Today, we are going to assemble and play with construction and engineering toys. I am going to unbox this and show you how to set it up. It has construction signs, poles, traffic lights, safety cones, and more. Here it is. This one is the platform. This one is the pavement. The pillars. Signposts and structures. The stickers to label and mark structures. This toy set has 3 machines for construction, like this ones. The loader, the rock breaker, and the so famous excavator. And now we'll start by putting stickers, symbols, and labels to our structures. We'll start with the traffic and warning sign stickers. Let's pull it up like this and stick it on the gasoline station. Yes, this is a gasoline station. A gasoline station is a place where vehicles get petrol or gas in order for vehicles to work. I've got a lot of work to do with this structure. We've got to put signs and symbols like no smoking sign, flammable sign, petrol pump sign, petrol price labels, and more. Just a little bit more sticking to do, and it's almost done. Now it's good to go. That's it for the gasoline station. Now let's move on to putting stickers on roadside and traffic sign posts. This include the traffic lights, early warning devices, stop sign, road closed sign, safety cone, detour sign. Now it's time to label and mark the parking platforms of our construction site. As you can see, there is a P sign here. That means it's parking, so we will stick it on the platform. Just like that. And then on the other platform, we're gonna stick another P sign. Just like so. And let's not forget to label the curb side. We will label it with under construction sign. Quite difficult to stick it on this curb, but it's all okay. And because I'm done with the front curb, I'm going to proceed labeling the back curb. It's going to be the same under construction symbol or sign, just like so. We will do the same procedure on the other platform, the front and the back curb. Now let's install the pillars or the foundation of the two platforms. Installing the two pavements is quick and easy. You just have to slide and lock each sides and you're done. Just push it inside forward like this and lock. And you can do the same thing to the other pavement. Of course, we will not forget to stick the forward arrows to the pavements so the driver of the excavator, the loader, the rock breaker will know where to go. Time to work! Now it's time to play. It's so much fun! My name is Loader, and I mainly load materials into trucks, laying pipe, clearing rubble, and digging. I need to fill up my tank with fuel. Now it's time to load all this soil and gravel, stones, just like this. There's a lot of work to do. I'm gonna dump it here. Oops. Let's dump it here. Carefully. Slowly. Let's go back to the area. Hi, my name is Excavator. My main uses are for digging trenches, holes, and foundations. My boom is very strong and I've got a big bucket. I have no time to sleep and I have no time to play, so let's get working. Let's go. See you later. I also need to refuel here. And it's time to dig. Dig. Oh. I'm going to take this into the platform also. Ooh. That's an easy one. I'm gonna take this another one. Just like this. See you later. Hi, my name is Rock Breaker. I am designed to manipulate large rocks, including reducing large rocks into smaller rocks. I hit the boulders rapidly and make them tiny. I gotta need to refuel too. Let's make this tiny. You're just rubble now. Rubble. It's time to go. It was a tough day, so it's time now to park and take rest and call it a day. I'm the loader. I guess it's time to nap now. I'm going to park behind loader. My name is Rock Breaker. Oh, those are very easy. My name is Excavator. I am the strongest machine of all. I'm gonna park here. That's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. I just showed you how to assemble the construction toys and materials and stick the signs and symbols accordingly. There's a lot more way to play with these toys. It's just a matter of your imagination. This is the end of my video. I hope you liked it. You can subscribe to my channel too so you will know my latest uploads and get updated every time. See you soon, playmates. Bye-bye.